Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value. And if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
And we are live. Sure happy it's Thursday. Rincon Rocks Radio live. Trading the stock market. It just opened up 1 minute ago, and you can see the green candles are closing up. We've got a $500 take profit right up there. We started just about 1.5 minutes ago or so, and it's already up to over $100 profit. Once again, we could take that profit out and call it a day at $100 if we chose, but we're going to be adventurous and we're going to let that thing trade a little bit. We've got Miss Emma here to talk about what we can expect today. Miss Emma, talk to us.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. It's nice to be back, and thank you for joining us today with our live stream. And we are expecting a good trade today, hoping we can get a good profit on the in the stock market as we do the paper trading. So stay tuned with us and learn with us.
For brand new information hot off the press, recently Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is now partnered with El Coquí magazine in Rincon. Here's a little something about
Hello,
that.
Wanderers. Hola, Aventureros. Discover Rincon's secrets in your preferred language. I'm your guide to El Coquí of Rincon, the magazine that's been the authentic voice of our beautiful town. Soy tu guía a la revista que ha sido la voz auténtica de nuestro hermoso pueblo. We bring you local maps, community stories, and insider knowledge you won't find anywhere else. Te traemos mapas locales, historias de la comunidad, y conocimiento interno que no encontrarás en ningún otro lugar. Whether you're planning your visit or staying connected to home, ya sea que estés planeando tu visita o manteniéndote conectado con casa, we're your bridge to the real Rincon. Find us online and join our bilingual community today.
All right. We're watching the stock market this morning as it climbs up and down a little bit. Again, we're already in the profit for $100. We can go ahead. Let's go ahead and take that profit off the table. Boom. Right. So we made $112 in under 3 minutes. Now it's our decision to go ahead and get back in. So what we are going to do, because we can tell it's going to be a strong bull market, we're going to get in for 10 units. We started with $1,000. We have $1,134, so $134 profit today. We're going to go ahead and get in for 10 units, which is going to give us an ability to make $500 in about 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. All right. We're going to set this up at $300. We got a $300 take profit. You'll notice the distance it's got to travel is only 2 blocks. So it's very, very short distance here. So while this is trading up, let me see if I can make this just a little bit bigger for you guys. There we go. There, now you can see it. So while this is crossing the blue line and trading up, we're going to hear a little bit about from our sponsor on our elite trading packages, and then we'll talk to Miss Emma about the 3 packages that are available that I feel like everybody should be getting into at least one of.
Elite Trading is offering a risk-free training program at 9:30 a.m. Monday through Friday and 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. Learn the ups and downs and ins and outs of the stock market on a free Zoom class without risking even $1 of your own money. Whether you're completely new to trading or you've been burned before, this program removes the biggest barrier to learning. No upfront costs, no hidden fees, no pressure to invest your own capital. Just pure education from experienced traders who understand that knowledge comes before profit. You'll discover proven strategies, risk management techniques, and market analysis skills that typically cost thousands to learn elsewhere. Join us online at elitecreditinvestmentadvisors.com or call 1-208-417-5655. Don't let fear keep you from financial education.
And we are live once again on a Thursday. I'm going to play one other brief mention on the packages available, and then Miss Emma's going to
While you're
it.
gambling on stocks, I'm building generational wealth systematically. Most people chase hot tips hoping to get lucky. Real wealth follows 3 pillars: build bulletproof credit, secure smart business funding, master risk-free trading in commodities, stocks, and crypto. This isn't gambling, it's systematic wealth building. Join our free Zoom class where I break down exactly how this works. No sales pitch, pure education. Stop gambling with your future and start building it systematically.
Talk to us, Miss Emma, about those packages I saw flash on the screen right there.
All right. Well, thank you so much, sir. Yes, to our viewers, we are still open for enrollment for our program for the stock market training. So we have actually the basic training for 7 days. If you are just curious on how it works with the stock market, learn how to trade. So we have 7 day training for only $100. And aside from that, we give digital books that you can study and you can read every day. Plus, we have customer support in case you have questions on the past practice trade. You can connect with me anytime so that we can answer your concern. So aside from that, after 7 days, if you want to learn more, we have the 15-day session of training that is only $300. It's very affordable. Comparing to all other training class, it's the Elite Credit and Investment Advisor only give that very affordable price only to help people that are interested to learn into the stock market trade. And lastly, we have the 30-day full training. It's actually just $500, and it has also a lot of free digital books that you can have from us for you to learn more the basic, the techniques, and strategies on how to do the stock market trading. So with all the 3 packages, if you want to have a one free session just to try with us, you can also contact me in the phone number that we have on screen so that I can put you on our available schedule. So aside from that, we also have the credit mastery program. If you need help in fixing your credit score, 4, 5, or 6, then we can help you. Call me at 877-587-4540.
Thank you, Miss Emma. We're watching that big fat green candle cross the blue line right up there. And we all know by now, hopefully those of you that have been tuning in for some time, is once that green candle crosses the blue line, that indicates a profit. And what is going to happen is the numbers in that little rectangle right there are going to turn green, and then we can pull the profit off the table. Or we can decide to let it continue to trade on up there and hit the green line on the top, which is the $300 take profit line. With that in mind, we're going to hear from our sponsor, Paradise Falls Taxi Service.
My taxi driver just showed me a beach that's not on Google Maps. And that's when I realized Paradise Falls Taxi isn't just about getting from point A to point B. These drivers are your local insiders in Rincon, Puerto Rico. They know the hidden gems, the best photo spots, and exactly when to avoid tourist crowds. Available 24/7 with bilingual service, whether you need an airport pickup, a quick ride around town, or a tour of beaches you'll never find on your own. Check their app for pricing and book your ride. Because sometimes the best part of your trip isn't the destination,
it's who's driving you there.
Paradise Falls Taxi Service, your gateway to the real Puerto Rico.
Fantastic. And while we're starting to trend a little bit to the right, which means we're expecting a breakout, and it could be a breakout high, breakout low. I'm anticipating a breakout high today. And I'm almost always right about that. There, I can see the green candle climbing up right now. Even as I speak, it's going to make a profit, and then we're going to pull out, show you that profit. Now let's hear from another sponsor, just came on last week, Ibargüen Home
When home
Care.
feels safer than the hospital. Cuando el hogar se siente más seguro que el hospital. We bring expert care to you. Llevamos atención experta a tu hogar. Welcome to Ibargüen Home Support. Bienvenidos a Ibargüen Home Support, where we care with love and commitment. Donde cuidamos con amor y compromiso. We provide home or hospital care. Cuidado en casa o en hospital. Personal and household assistance. Asistencia personal y del hogar. Appointment, accompaniment. Acompañamiento a citas. Professional medication administration. Administración profesional de medicamentos. Early health assessments. Evaluaciones tempranas de salud. With the expertise of Miss Martha Ibargüen, registered nurse. Con la experiencia de la enfermera registrada. Martha Ibargüen. Your family receives the compassionate care they deserve. Tu familia recibe el cuidado compasivo que merece. Call 939-209-6767. Llame al 939-209-6767. Everything seems impossible until it's done. Todo parece impossible hasta que se hace.
What we're seeing this morning is a slow trend toward the down, trading on the red candle. So I'm waiting for it to bounce off that next low and head on high. I've got it zoomed in super high right now, so you can see the movements exaggerated. With that, we're going to talk about this week in Rincon. What's happening in Rincon? We're already at Thursday, so you know it's Artwalk Day. So Miss Anita Casanova, Lord willing, will be out there interviewing all the artisans, musicians, craftspeople, live at the Artwalk in Rincon, Puerto Rico. With that, we're going to hear a little bit about what's happening this week.
You need to watch this if you hate missing out. Stop scrolling. Start planning. Week of Feb 22-28, 2026 incoming. Monday kicks off with trivia night at Nacho Libre, 7 to 30 p.m. Car 115 kilometers, 11.6, brains and nachos. Also Monday, drawing class, 6 to 7:30 p.m. Casa de la Cultura Isabelina in Isabela. Tuesday, happy hour at Roots, 5-7 p.m. on Calle Progreso. Tuesday night, live music on the pool deck at Casa Isleña, 6 p.m. Wednesday, entre café, música y arte in Mayagüez, 6-10 p.m. Local art and live tunes, same night in Isabela. Noches de Artesanías, 5 or 11 p.m. Thursday, Art Walk in Rincon, 6 to 10 p.m. Friday, Artisan Night in Añasco at 6 p.m. Karaoke at Antillano Rincon Cultural at 7 p.m. Saturday, Farmers Market 8-12 to 30 in Aguadilla. Craft Market in Aguada 10 to 6.
And we're back. We bounced off that lower low, as I talked about earlier, starting to trade up with a big candle right there. With that, we're going to talk a little bit about the three pillars of wealth. The first pillar, of course, is personal credit. We're going to need to look into personal credit, make sure where it's at, and take it to where it needs to be. Somewhere in the neighborhood of 400, 500, 600, even 700. You need to be at 850, and we can do that.
I went from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI, advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover. And the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now because seating is actually limited. And I'm not just saying that.
And what she's talking about right there is we do have an affiliation with Dispute Beast, the AI credit repair generator. Everything's done for you. Click the button. It sends through a Sprint mail. It sends out all of the dispute letters. It fixes it all internally with a particular type of software, the same software they use to destroy your credit. This is a gentleman, microcredit guy that used to work for one of the major companies that has redesigned the software to repair your credit. With that in mind, the second pillar of wealth is generational wealth building through business credit building. Of course, we all know your personal credit is based on your social security number. Your business credit is built on your EIN number with an LLC, sole proprietorship, or 501(c)(3) nonprofit. Whatever you happen to have for business If you don't have that business set up, we can help you walk through all those steps. Here's a little something about how to build business
Your
credit.
personal credit is destroyed, but your business credit could be perfect. Here's what most business owners don't realize. Your business credit runs on a completely separate system from your personal credit. While your personal credit uses your social security number, business credit builds on your employer identification number. That means you can have perfect business credit, even if your personal credit is terrible. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors specializes in building business credit fast. We set up everything you need: business phone, business address, and start building your credit immediately with our expert team guiding you every step. Right now, we're offering our $3,000 program for just $1,000, but only for the next 20 applicants. Don't let your personal credit mistakes hold your business back any longer. Call us at 208-417-5655 or visit elitecreditinvestmentadvisors.com to get started today.
All right, we're back. You see that big green candle is going up there just like I predicted earlier. I was talking about how it's going to bounce off the lower low, which is exactly what it did. And it turned into a bull market and it's traveling up in a nice, strong fashion to cross that blue line, make us a profit. And once we start making that profit, these little red numbers over here are going to switch to green. There they went to green right there. And I'm going to keep my finger on the button, so to speak. And as it goes up another couple $100 or so, I'm going to go ahead and jump out and claim that profit. So I'm going to let it go up a little, maybe to half or so, all the way up there to, that is the $300 take profit we're seeing up there. So maybe halfway or so, get another $150 out of it. What do you think, Ms. Emma?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're up there. We're going to go ahead and get out right there. Go ahead and claim that money. So we started with $1,000 in the virtual trading bank. We got $209.70. $200 in 15 minutes is nothing to sneeze at, but we do want to get back in the game. We're going to get back in the game right here. Jump in, set our take profit up here, another $100 or so right there. Let it sit. Give it just a second, and it's green trading candle up. It's going to tag that green line, and we'll have made another $100. So while it thinks about, well, let's wait a second and show you. This is, boom, real-time stock market data. So this is what we do. This is scalping the NASDAQ E-mini futures. This is one of the lowest priced stock traders you can get into. You can get an account set up with a broker. So you'll have to have a broker with set up with your bank for deposits and withdrawals. And how this works is you just toggle between paper trading. By the way, our trading classes are 100% risk-free because we trade with virtual reality simulator, but this is real-time stock market data. So if we click it and we win, if we would have had real money in the game, we won. So I want you to know that even though it's a simulated trade environment, this is a real deal. So I set up another $100. I'm going to go up $100 at a time. I like to make a minimum of $100 a day. Our target this morning is $500. We are already at $334. We're going to watch that green candle trade up again just for a minute. Got it set at $125 for the take profit. We're going to let it get up there and tag that profit in real time. If this is real money, you'd been in less than 20 minutes. You'd have been making what will be $400 here in just a minute. So, boom, there we go again. We made another $100. Let's take a look down here. We've got $459 in the game so far today is what we've earned. We're going to go ahead and jump back in the game. We're going to do one more $100 because we want a nice even $500 a day. And for those of you that don't know, we've got a chart that shows you if you make $20 a day, what it would be in a year. It's about $5 grand. What it would make if you make $100 a day, what it would be in a year, so on and so forth. If you want to know exactly what it takes to make $1 million a year in the stock market, it's $3,969 a day for 252 days, which is your trading year, Monday through Friday. That in mind, I'm going to show you a little something about what gives me the credentials, the credibility of having been working in and trading and learning the stock market for over 10 years.
Former Nobel Prize student reveals how $500 becomes 50 KLA using secret wealth pillars. Meet Dr. Cam Todd, known as the Crypto Samurai. He studied under Robert Shiller, the Nobel Prize-winning Yale economist who predicted both the dot-com crash and the housing bubble. Now, Dr. Todd has written 7 books on cryptocurrency and blockchain, and he's taking that elite-level knowledge to the masses. Operating from Puerto Rico under Act 60, he's developed the 3 pillars of wealth system that transforms small investments into substantial returns. His mission? To give everyday investors the same tools and strategies that the financial elite use to build generational wealth. If you're ready to think like the pros and turn your modest savings into real wealth, the Crypto Samurai is about to show you exactly how it's done.
And we're back. And once again, we are seeing a little bit of a downtrend in the market right there. And you know what that means. It's going to bounce here in a minute and go right back to where we want. And that's what we want. We want the majority of the traders that are out there to not understand that this red candle is going to come down to a maximum of right in here somewhere. Might even bounce right off this low right here and go back up, which is fine. You just simply need to understand the laws of the universe, which is what goes down must come up, what goes up must come down. It's just that simple. Be flexible enough to be able to wait for it to get up there and make your profit. Again, we made $459.20 today in under 20 minutes. So you're looking to make 100, 300, 500 a day. Whatever it is that you set your goal to. If you want to become rich and famous, or just rich or just famous, either way, you can get started with that today. If you just want to plink around a little bit and learn the system and never put any real money in it, then you're more than welcome to do that. We got a program for absolutely everybody, starting with 0, which means free, absolutely free Zoom class. We can get you in, get you set up with a free TradingView account for no charge whatsoever. Give it 30 days, let you try it out and see if you want to step into the arena and start earning multiple levels of cash.
What I wish I knew at 25 instead of 35. Credit Mastery is a game changer. Welcome to Credit Mastery by Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Our free Zoom seminar is your gateway to financial freedom. With Dispute Beast Credit Monitoring, you get the most effective AI-powered credit repair tool on the market. Imagine boosting your credit score with ease, speed, and affordability. Dispute Beast generates dispute letters for you and monitors your credit across all 3 bureaus. Plus, there's a 110% money-back guarantee if your score doesn't improve within a year. How's that for confidence? Don't let a poor credit score hold you back. Join our Credit Mastery seminar and unlock your financial potential today. Whether you're looking for a free solution or a bundled package that fits your budget, we've got you covered. Call 1-939-739-4045 or fill out our contact form to arrange your Zoom appointment. Don't wait. Take control of your credit future now.
And we're back. We've seen the red candles trade down, 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles down, and it's really only about 3 blocks of space. That's not a lot, but we do see the green candles trading back up, so that means we're in the profit. And since we're in the profit, we're going to let it trade up just a little bit more before we grab that profit and take it off the table. In the meantime, let's hear a little bit more about different programs that we might have available for each and every one of you.
If you're ready to take your lifestyle from ordinary to extraordinary, you need Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Let's make it happen. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe luxury isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Whether you're building wealth, improving your credit, or seizing exclusive investment opportunities, we provide the expert strategy and personalized guidance you need to reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine living the life you've always dreamed of. Luxurious homes, exotic cars, stunning vacations. With our 24/7 service and free risk-free evaluations, we're here to make that dream a reality. Why settle for less when you can have more? Elevate your financial future today. Let us help you design a life of luxury and prosperity. Remember, your dream lifestyle isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you to take the first step. Call us anytime at 877-587-4540. Let's start building your luxury lifestyle now. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Your journey to luxury starts now.
And I see that we're continuing to make a profit there, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab this profit. As soon as it turns green again right there, it goes back up. I'm going to give just, while we're waiting for it to go up there, let's play one little bit of information from Connect Church PR, and then we'll be right back.
Welcome to Connect PR,
Bienvenidos a Connect PR,
a bilingual church in the heart of Aguada, Puerto Rico,
una iglesia bilingüe en el corazón de Aguada, Puerto Rico,
where faith is alive and worship is modern,
donde la fe está viva y la adoración es moderna,
and everyone is welcome.
y todos son bienvenidos.
At Connect PR, we believe church should feel like home,
En Connect PR creemos que la iglesia debe sentirse como hogar,
a place to connect with God and with people,
un lugar para conectarte con Dios y con las personas,
and grow in purpose and community.
y crecer en propósito y comunidad.
Led by Pastor Diane Johnson Seaton
Guiados por la pastora Diane Johnson Seaton
and Pastor Camila Raza,
y la pastora Camille Rosa,
we're building a life-giving church with passionate worship,
estamos construyendo una iglesia llena de vida con adoración apasionada,
relevant teaching, and real relationships.
enseñanza relevante y relaciones auténticas.
No matter where you're from or what language you speak,
No importa de dónde vengas ni el idioma que hables,
there's a place for you here.
aquí hay un lugar para ti.
Come as you are.
Ven tal como eres.
This is Connect PR,
Esto es Connect PR,
where faith, life, and community connect.
donde la fe, la vida y la comunidad se conectan.
For those of you just tuning in, we are trading the micro E-mini stock market futures, top 100 NASDAQ futures, making cash profits. We've got a $459 profit so far. We're looking for this next $100. We are watching for the green candle to trade up, and then we're going to snag that profit. It's trading up across the blue line as we speak. When it crosses that blue line, it starts to be a profit, and it continues on the profit all the way up there to the green line that is currently set a little over $100 for the take profit, which automatically will go to our trading account, cash in, and we'll make that profit. With that, we've been in about 27 minutes, which is enough of trading today. We like to trade the morning open in about 20, 25, 30 minutes afterwards. So with that, Ms. Emma's going to close this out today. Ms. Emma, talk to us about what we can expect tonight at 7 and then again tomorrow.
Okay, well, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, everyone, for staying with us for about 20 minutes, 28 minutes. Again, I am inviting everybody, if you are interested in learning into stock market, please contact me anytime for a free one-day session for you to check how it works with our training program. Call me at 877-587-4540, or you can comment on our Facebook page, and please do like, subscribe our YouTube channel. So again, if you're a dreamer, risk taker, contact Elite Credit and Investment Advisor and start your day learning into stock market. God bless everyone. See you tomorrow.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best-kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anita Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Artwalk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.